Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see how we can create a tailored leads campaign inside the Facebook ads account. So tailored lead campaigns are going to be an automated type of campaign wherein some preset settings which Facebook provides, with the help of which we can build out a campaign very quickly. So with the help of this, you can just create leads campaigns and then generate leads for your businesses. So let's have a look at this, guys. So you can start building out this campaign from here, guys, and we can choose leads over here. As you can see, so Facebook gives you two options. One is going to be a tailored leads campaign, which we can create, which will have some preset settings, which we can use and we can build this out. The other option is a manual leads campaign where we give all the details manually. So let's have a look at this. So in a tailored leads campaign, we have to give all the information starting from the name of the campaign first. And then we can choose the conversion location. So in this case, since we are looking for lead gen, so we can choose as instant forms as our conversion location. And we can choose our specific Facebook page as well for which we want to do this. So we can apply this as well. Let's say we are looking at this. And then we can give the budget of the campaign. So we can give a daily budget or a lifetime budget as per our requirement. Daily budget will be the average amount which we are willing to spend on the campaign on a per day basis. So Facebook will optimize our budget and charge us according to that. We can also give the scheduling of this campaign. That would be the start date, end date of the campaign over here. In addition to that, we can also look at audiences. So here, Facebook helps you with Advantage Plus audiences, which we can use, or else we can define our audiences ourselves also. So wherein I can use the custom audiences or lookalike audiences, which we have built through our Facebook page or through our website as well. So we can use all of that. Once you do your audience targeting, then we come to the location targeting where you can add your geographical locations in this particular manner. Now, once you add the location targeting, then we come to the other targetings, which is going to be age. So you can specify the age category which you want to target and also the gender. In addition to this, we can also go ahead and look at categories from Facebook audiences, which Facebook provides in terms of demographics, interest, and behavior. So there are hundreds of categories which Facebook has created based on which you can select also in this specific manner. Once these details are filled in, then we can go ahead and go to the next part, which is where you are going to create the ad. So here we can name the ad first. And we can start building out the ad by giving the Facebook page and choosing the type of format of the ad. So let's say we are creating a single image or a video ad out here. We can upload our media file from here, guys. In this particular way, we can upload our media file. Once that is filled in, then we can provide our primary text as well out here. We can also give an appropriate sign up button, sign up call to action phrase, which we would like to use on the ad in this specific manner. And now comes the instant form. So this is where you are going to create the form which we will use to generate leads. So we can create the form from here, guys, where we can give it a name. And we can fill in all the details. So in this, the form type, Facebook gives us three options. More volume means this is going to be a case wherein we are going to use the form that's going to help us fill up forms much more faster through a mobile device. Higher intent will be a case wherein we're going to show the ads in such a manner where we are going to make sure that it is being filled by people who are really going to convert eventually. And then you have a rich creative also, wherein we can add a lot of images and messaging can be done. So we can choose any of this option and then start building out our form. Okay, so the first is going to be background image. So we can choose that. Okay. and give a headline. In this particular manner. And then we can add the questions which we would like to ask our users, the information we would ask them to fill up. So we can ask for that as well over here. We can choose the information, what kind of information we are trying to collect over here. So email, full name, okay, we are looking for, let's say, phone number. Okay, all these are the categories which we can ask for in the information in the form. We can also give a description which is going to let the people know about how this information will be used. So this way you can provide the description, and then finally you can give the policy page. Okay, if you want to give a policy page of your business, okay, which you can provide out here. Let's say this is the policy page which we are looking at. Once you provide the page, guys, then we can lastly give the message, which is the last message, which will show to the users once they fill up the form. So it can say, thank you, you are all set. You can visit our website, and we can provide our website URL out here. So with this, our whole form gets created, as you can see on the right hand side. And we can add the custom question over here as well. You can add more information also in this particular manner. And this is how the whole form will get created. Once the form is created, guys, then we can go ahead and we can create the whole campaign. So this is going to be our leads campaign, which we have created, which is a tailored leads campaign, which we have built out. And now this can be used for generating leads for our businesses. And people would be able to see the ad with the form attached. They can click on the form, fill up the information, and submit their information, which will be used for the service which we want to provide them. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand how a tailored leads campaign gets created in the Facebook ads platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I'll see you in the next video.